Hey guys, I want to get on here and show you some favorites. Some of these things that I've been using for a very long time, and some things I just came across through YouTubers that I found and I ordered, and now that we're all in and just one day at a time, I have time to shop more online. These lashes that I have on now, I love them. I have always loved Ardell, but these are the ones, these are naked lashes. They're numbered 420, and I do not have to cut them to fit. They fit perfectly. And yesterday I was sitting out on our veranda. My husband came out and said, "Oh, I love your lashes." I said, "Oh, thank you." He has always loved me and lashes. But I put them on yesterday and haven't. But these look so natural. They look like I've curled my lashes. I don't have any mascara on. I have some on the bottom, lined a little bit. I only lined a little bit on the top. But I love them. But they are, did I say I love them? I love them. Naked lashes blend seamlessly with Invisalign. But let's see if it has anything else on here. I can't read. I've got my other contacts in, and these are not. They're very lightweight. I can't even tell I have them on, and I even forgotten yesterday I had them on until he mentioned them to me. But I'll let you get them if you want to do a screenshot. That's what they look like, and they fit my eye perfectly. And I'm glad I don't, because a lot of times I'll get them. I've been doing the demi, so I wouldn't have to cut them. But these, like them. I'll say it again. I like them. I think you'll like them too. For years, I've always, when I have food or do anything that I do with chicken or raw meat or anything like that, I've always used these disposable gloves. And I got these, I don't know how long it's been. It's been several months. But I really use them even more now that we're trying to stay away from any sicknesses or anything like that. But if you have a chance, one size fits all. It's for food handling mainly, you know, for scrubbing and stuff like that. I've never had a problem with them, but you can tell they go over your hand like that. But I like these, and you might want to think about getting these. When we get packages, as they're saying, for us to be very, very careful when packages are coming from Amazon or UPS or, you know, Postal Service, whatever, we need to be very careful and handle it, and then, you know, discard of everything. So this does help. I'm doing that. I know you're saying, "Oh, that's so silly." But you know what? I am going to be the most careful I can be not to get this virus, because I have to take care of me, and I've got to take care of my husband and anyone that's around us. Now we're staying away from anybody. I mean, I'm making sure I'm 6 foot away. I'm doing exactly what they say, 6 foot away. I make sure that I am just washing my hands, and these really work. Okay, that's my second thing that I like. The next thing that I like and that I've been using, you know, you think about the glue. The key to put lashes on, and it's so easy for me. I just pop them on, that's it. But I've been doing them for years. I used to have the individual lashes, and I did they call them extensions now, but it was individual lashes, I mean, years ago. This, when they first came out, and I'm gonna say I started wearing those, I guess it was in the early 80s, maybe. I would think, maybe early 80s, maybe, yeah, probably. But I wore strip before that because I was in, for years I was doing TV and radio. Of course, radio people can't see you, but on TV, and I always had lashes on because my lashes have never been real thick. So I've gotten used to putting them on. They're very, very easy. I did a video on that one time, and I might need to do that again because I don't even know where the video is. I'm sure it's up, but I don't know where it is to get it. But I love this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. There. And this one, that latex free, I make sure, and there's formaldehyde free. this has, you can see this, and I just put it across the strip, and I wait. I mean, I get it where I can see it, because this dries clear. I get the clear. I don't get the black. I don't get the white. You know, this dries clear. I put it on there, and I probably wait about 30 to 40 seconds before I put my lash on. I want to make sure it's just a little bit tacky, because if you put your lashes on too quick, then they'll move around, or you can't get them, I don't know. It just doesn't work for me. Now, that's me. There you go. Next, I saw these hair, skin, and nails gummy Vitafusion, and it's 3 a day. And I noticed my hair, the shine was sort of going, and I don't know, I don't know, but I can tell a difference in my hair since I've started this. And my nails grow. Now my nails need to be I do the SNS nails with the dipped, and they last forever. But these are my nails. They've grown out. My nails have never been. They've always been like peely. They've never been hard. I never even noticed my toenails, you know. They've always been peely. It's really, I can tell a difference. Now, I don't know if it's this or not, or if I'm eating better. I don't know. But I do like this. And Tracy B got me on this. She showed this on her channel. And so I've started taking it, and I can tell a big difference. I promise you I can. Okay, one more thing. Nicole, what is the name of her channel? I can't remember. Anyway, she has Nicole. Let me see if I can find it real quick while you're on here. Y'all mind waiting? Okay. Y'all just wait right there and let me tell you. What is her name? What is her? Johnson. Nicole Johnson. She had pretty Sandra on there. If you go back, it says Fierce Makeup at 81, Disrupting Beauty. That's what that says. Nicole Johnson, and you can watch that. But anyway, I got this several months ago. It's been a while. But this is upside down. I opened it upside down. Okay, this little container. I love this little container, but I've not used them yet. But I'm going to try these and let you know how I like them. I think I'm going to like them. This is going to be great for traveling. Just throw it in my bag, have my own little, and I can add more to them. Look, it's got room to add more. So some of those other favorites that I have that I use, I can just throw that in here. So I'm going to enjoy using this. I put it in my overnight. Of course, we've not been anywhere since all this is going on. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy, and I hope you're listening to what we need to do. Go take those walks if you need to. It's amazing how we'll see if we go pick up, when we go pick up our groceries, we do pick up delivery. We don't have to even touch or be close to the guy or girl that puts it in our car. It has worked so great that I think I might start doing this all the time. You go online. We're doing Publix. Now, I know Walmart does it, Kroger does it. I've not tried those, but I heard Walmart is really good. But I go online, and you pick a date that you want to pick it up. Yeah, they'll give you times. And then when you can shop, you can order it, go and order it. And I do it through Apple Pay, which works the best. It really does. I just go in, and then if I think of something, I go back on mine. But before they start shopping, now you'll have a personal shopper, and she or he will be corresponding back and forth with you. We don't have this, but we have this. The first one I had, she took pictures of the shelves that show there was empty. The next one, this will be my 4th time I've done this since we started with this quarantine. But I really like it, and I think you need to. You know, sometimes, you know, your parents, your grandparents, your family members, they need this, they want this, they want this, they want that. It's so easy just to order it. Now, you will get it the next day or the day after. Sometimes it's one day the next day, or it's 2 days. So I hope I made sense. If you have any questions, just comment and I'll answer your questions. Anyway, I guess I'll go now. I'm just rambling. I've rambled for over 10 minutes. So I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Watch something fun on TV. Reinvent yourselves with your husbands, your kids, your whoever you're living with. If you're by yourself, just reinvent yourself by watching something. Play solitaire. Oh, and also, this does make a difference. If you figure out what you want to eat, don't eat the same thing every day. Like, eat some healthy things. And I'd say, oh, today we're going to have tuna salad, or I'm going to fix a tuna salad, or I'm going to fix, yesterday we did egg salads, and I had a salad, or vegetables. I had cucumbers. I did English cucumbers. I cut them up. And I did those little round little tomato sweet tomatoes, and I just did some salt and pepper on it, and then you could throw a little bit of chicken salad on it, or a little tuna salad on it, or you could do egg salad on top. You can make anything to just make the boredoms not so bad. Just a suggestion. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day. I'm repeating myself. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow.